Let's talk about the recently launched Xiaomi smartphone Redmi Turbo 4 Pro with metal frame. Texture glass design. Now let's talk about the specifications of this smartphone. Firstly, talk about the display of this smartphone. This phone features with AMOLED display, 6.83 inches 1.5K. Punch hole display. Resolution of 1280 by 2772 pixels. Approximately 447 ppi pixel density, 3200. Nits peak brightness, 120 Hz refresh rate, HDR10 plus color quality, Dolby Vision, HDR Vivid. Support, and with Corning Gorilla Glass 7 eye protection. And now talk about the camera of this smartphone. The smartphone with dual camera setup on the rear that includes 50 megapixel 26mm. Sony LYT600 sensor wide-angle main camera with aperture 1.5 and support optical image stabilization, along with 8 megapixel 15mm ultra-wide-angle camera with aperture 2.2 for selfies. It has 20 megapixel Omnivision OV20B sensor centered punch hole wide-angle front-facing camera. With aperture 2.2, video recording maximum 4K at 30, 60 fps on rear camera, and 1080p at 30, 60 fps. On front camera, for the software the handset turns on Android 15 operating system, based on exclusive optimized version of HyperOS 2 screen on top the device. Under the hood the phone CPU is octa-core 3.21 GHz single-core Cortex-X4 plus 3 GHz tri-core Cortex-A720 plus 2.8 GHz dual-core Cortex-A720 plus 2 GHz dual-core Cortex-A720, powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 8S Gen 4 4nm chipset, paired with Adreno 825 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone plugs with 12 GB. 16 GB of LPDDR5X RAM, and 256 GB, 512 GB, 1 TB of UFS 4.1 onboard storage, no microSD card slot. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 163.1 by 77.93 by 7.98 mm, and it weights around 219 grams, and the color options, Harry Potter edition, white, black, green colors. To see in this smartphone, and the device comes backed by a massive 7550 mAh battery, with 90-watt wired flash fast charging, 22.5-watt reverse wired fast charging support. Additionally, the smartphone also features optical under-display fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication. With Face Unlock, the connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, dual band Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4, GPS L1 plus L5, USB Type-C audio jack, with dual stereo speakers support, USB Type-C. Charging port, 6,000 square millimeters 3D ice vapor chamber cooling system support, infrared remote control. Support, IP68 dust and water resistant, and with full-featured NFC support. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of the smartphone. The Redmi Turbo 4 Pro has been priced for 12 GB plus 256 GB storage variant at 1,999 Chinese yuan, while 16 GB plus 256 GB storage variant at 2,299 Chinese yuan, while 12 GB plus 512 GB storage variant at 2,499 Chinese yuan, while 16 GB plus 512 GB storage variant at 2,699 Chinese yuan, while 16 GB plus 1 TB storage variant at 2,999 Chinese yuan. Conclusion. So what do you guys think of this Redmi Turbo 4 Pro smartphone? Do let us know in the comments section below and subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.